morning. My name is Jerome and I'm from the Philippines, and I want to share with you guys what would be my July 25th is. So together, let's see how it unfolds. So yun guys, no, may pupuntahan tayo ngayong araw, and ayun, bago natin i-reveal kung saan tayo pupunta, gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa inyo dahil na-reach natin ang 300 milestone. So yun, maraming salamat. Hindi naman tayo abot sa ganung milestone kung wala kayo. So yun, sa mga subscribers, maraming salamat. And after 1 week, no, grabe. So grabe kayo guys, after 1 week, yan, pumalo na tayo sa 400 milestone. So maraming salamat, and dahil dyan, ang big announcement ko sa inyo is reregaluhan tayo ni Papa ng upgrade ng ating desktop para naman makapag-gawa pa tayo, produce pa tayo ng maraming vlogs para sa ating channel. So yun, tara, samahan nyo ako. Right now we're here in the car and we're still waiting for Papa and my 2 brothers. So while waiting, I would just want to share to you guys who do I love. Who do I love? It's of course my family, because they supported me in every way. And of course, if you ask me what do I love basketball and music. Yes, that's the 2 things that I love the most doing. Basketball because I gained a lot of friends and it boosted my confidence when I was growing. So yeah, and music because it relaxes me even though I'm facing some problems that came my way. So sometimes I find solutions through songs or music that I've listened to. So yeah, so right now we're here and let's hit the road. We're here at Quezon City, specifically at Gilmore. Na dito tayo sa Gilmore dahil bibili tayo ng parts para pang-upgrade sa ating desktop. So yan, tara, samahan niyo kami. Guys, no, grabe pala dito sa Gilmore. Grabe yung demand ng computer. Madaming nakapila. No, update lang, binubuo pa yung CPU natin, and ayan, nandun pa sa loob ni Josh. So ayan lang, tagal pala buuin na ito. Mahirap pala bumili ng computer or desktop or laptop. So ayan, kailangan matagat-tsagain. And para sa inyo din naman to, gusto ko makapag-share sa inyo ng iba't ibang randomness ng mundo. So ayun, so update ko na lang kayo mamaya, and bye. Guys, after 2 hours of waiting for us to assemble the desktop, we are here back at Robinson's Magnolia, wherein we'll be having our lunch. So it's already it's almost past 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and this is the only time that we're gonna have our lunch. So our lunch for today is a very special one. pepper lunch. So, come on guys, let's dig in.
A few moments later.
So, yun nga guys, no. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. Nakapag-setup na tayo ng computer and naayos na rin natin yung kwarto para ma-setup to. So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo guys kung itsura niya, no. So, ito siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, ganito siya pag gabi. So, yun nga guys, no. Grabe yung adventure natin today. Ang tagal bago ma-set up tong desktop natin. And una sa lahat, gusto mo na magpasalamat kay Papa dahil akala ko parts lang ang bibilhin para i-upgrade yung luma nating desktop. Pero ito, binanta ng bago. So, maraming salamat. And kung gusto nyo makita magkano yung nagastos or ano yung mga specs na nakalagay dito sa bagong desktop, nasa description box. And kung magkano siya. So, please check that out. And kung napansin nyo, no, pa-English tayo simula pa lang ng vlog. So, yun. May sinalihan kasi tayong international project ng isang award-winning director. So, ewan ko lang kung pwede ko siyang i-plug. Pero, compilation kasi siya ng mga vlogs na raw, no, walang edit. So, yun. Sana pagdasal natin, makasama yung mga clips na pinasa ko doon. So, yung iba dito sa vlog natin is sinama ko doon. So, thank you din pala kay Sid Briones dahil in-invite niya ako para mag-submit ng mga footages doon or clips. So, Sid, brother, thank you so much. And, ayun, about dun sa international project na yun ang pag-uusapan natin sa next vlog. So, yun guys, no? Maraming salamat, sinamahan nyo kami ng pamilya ko bumili ng bagong desktop. It has been created on this day. It's one for the books. So, lagi nyo tatandaan, life is short. So, you and me, together, let's roam the world. What?